Okay, here's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take care of this rust spot right here. I've been doing some other stuff, and you can see a little bit like in here, and like I just did that patch there. I don't know if you can really see; it's kind of blown out from the light, but we're gonna take care of that. Um, I just got my angle grinder with a one of them wire wheels on it. So we're just gonna use that. See, right there, you got rid of all of the like loose shit. You know, that's what you got to do. Because if you don't get rid of the loose shit, then like your paint's not gonna stick very well. So we did that. The paint that I have is like, I don't know, it's this like rust reformer stuff. So you're supposed to like, you can paint it over rust. So like that's why I wasn't too worried about getting rid of all of that. Okay. We're gonna get our rag so that we can clean that area. Now it's hard to do this with one hand, so okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna do, I just use acetone and just kind of do one of these things like you're making a Molotov or something. And you just kind of do this, and then get it all good and clean. You know, that'll be good. I tend to use old rags. This is like a, I don't know, it's some sort of like flannel sheet sack. Flannel's not the best thing because like, you know, you can kind of maybe see it there. There's like little things that got stuck to the paint. I have no idea if I'm actually getting what I want to get in frame, but like I don't really care. But this is pretty smooth. I'll see. You can see one of them little things right there. Yeah, see, that got rid of it. There we go. That's good enough. And now we're just gonna take our can, our spray paint, and we're just gonna do that. It's a little bit too much. You can kind of see it starting to, you can kind of maybe see it starting to run. Again, I'm doing this in the shade, so everything's all kind of blown out. Yeah, you can definitely see it starting to run like there. That's not ideal. I might get a rag and actually fix that because I'd hate for this thing to look like shit. But yeah, you can just do whatever you want to cars.